This is an exam application tutorial on cells and microscopes. The question is, explain how the sperm cell is adapted to performing its function. This question can be translated and divided into two simpler questions. Firstly, describe the function of the sperm cell, and secondly, explain the features a sperm cell has, in other words, its adaptations that help it perform its function. It's a very simple question. State the job of the sperm cell and explain the features it has which help it carry out its job. It's only worth 3 marks. So quite simply, the job of the sperm cell is to swim to the egg to fertilize it. Now, swimming requires energy. The middle section of a sperm is packed with mitochondria. Mitochondria are parts of the cell where respiration happens. Respiration is a biological process that produces energy. This energy is then used to move the sperm's tail so it can swim and move towards the egg. So for 3 marks, firstly, the sperm cell contains many mitochondria. For the second mark, which produce energy through respiration. So what we've just done is explained a feature, an adaptation of the sperm cell. Now we just need to link it to its function. So for the third mark, so the sperm can swim or travel to the egg or ovum to fertilize it. When I write something in brackets, it means it's optional, but it does help explain it in a little bit more detail.